Drama doesn't mean slow. Most actors, when they audition for a drama scene, immediately what they do is they think, oh, it's dramatic, so I better be slow, thoughtful, deliberate. Not the way to go. Because just because something is dramatic or painful or thoughtful doesn't necessarily mean slow. In fact, what slow does, it loses impact. It makes the audience get frustrated because they want to hear what he's got to say or she's got to say. Oftentimes what I will do, especially if I'm directing a dramatic scene, I will run the scene a few times with the actors on set, and then I will give them an exercise which at first will seem absurd, but I'll time it. So let's say our second pass at the scene was 2 minutes long, when we're reading it or running it. And then I'll say to the actors, okay, you know what? I want to do this scene as fast as we can. Don't worry so much about acting and intent. Just let's see how quickly we can do this scene, okay? So, and then what we'll do is they're like, okay, I don't know why, but we do it. And we, let's say that 2-minute scene, when we did it super fast, was 1 minute and 15 seconds. And I'll say to the actors, okay, how'd that feel? And almost always, they say really good. Because their mind has told them subconsciously, drama means slow. Drama doesn't mean slow. Drama means drama. Okay? So when you're preparing for an audition and it's a dramatic scene, don't make the mistake that so many actors make and perform the scene slowly. Because what will happen is you will bore the director and the casting director. So as an exercise, before you do a self-tape, record it, then time it, then do it faster, and the take after you do it too fast will be the right take.